A beautiful good morning to my dear children. Welcome back to Maths online class. In the previous class, we have discussed fractions. Today, let me introduce to all a new chapter is decimals. We have already studied about fractions. Let us learn decimal fractions. Here given boxes 4 out of 10 boxes out of 4 is colored. Read as 4 by 10. This is fraction 4 by 10. Next, here colored 5 boxes. Write as a fraction 5 by 10. So, 5 boxes only colored. 5 is numerator, 10 is denominator. 15 parts out of 100, 15 by 100. 32 parts out of 1000, 32 by 1000. These are all fractions, 10, 100, thousands. Four by 10, 3 by 10, 15 by 100, 32 by 1000 is decimal fraction. A decimal fraction is a fraction whose denominator either 10 or 100 or 1000 or a power of 10. These are decimal fractions. 4 by 10, write as 0.4. Next, 5 by 10, write as 0.5 as a decimal number. Next, 15 by 100. 15 by 100. Here denominator 2 zeros. So we have to write 0.15. 32 by 1000. We have to write 0.032. Here denominator 3 digits. 0.032. Numbers 0.4, 0.5, 0.15 and 0.032 are called decimal numbers or decimals. Now 24.31. Here 24, 31. In between point is there in these two numbers. 24, 31. Left side and right side of the point. The dot in between 24 and 31 is called decimal point. The number to the left of the decimal point is called whole part or integral part. The number to the right of the decimal point is called decimal part. 31 is decimal part. In between these two numbers in between is decimal point. The number is digits after the decimals are called the number of decimal places. There are two decimal places in 24.31. After point we have to read single digits only. Everyone open your textbook page number 97. First one. Represent the following fractions as decimals. Here 3/10 of the whole is shaded. 3 total parts, how many are there? Total boxes, how many are there in this figure? Total boxes, how many are there in this figure? 10 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many boxes shaded? 3. So, we have to write fraction 3 by 10. In the denominator, one digit only 0. ones digit 0. So 0.3. When we write fraction 3 by 10, after point, how many digits are there? That how many zeros are there? Write down 0. 3 by 10 like that. Here 1 0, no? 1 digit before we have to keep point. Second one. 7/10 of the whole is shaded. Here total boxes are 10. How many boxes were shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 boxes shaded. Total boxes 10. 10 we have to write denominator. Now we have to write a decimals. Here in the denominator only 1 0. So we have to write 0.7 or 0.7. Whatever it may be, 0.7, 0.7, both are correct. Okay. Next, third one, 8/100 of the whole is shaded. Total boxes are 100. Denominator 100 now. So total boxes are 100. In this 100 boxes, only shaded 8 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So write as numerator 8. Now this fraction convert into decimal. Here denominator 2 zeros is there. In the numerator only 1 digit. So 0.08. Okay, 1 2. Here 2 zeros, here 2 digits. Here 1 0, point after here 1 digit. Okay, here also 1 0, point after 1 digit. Here 2 zeros, point after 2 digits. Next, 70/200 of the whole is shaded. Total parts are 100, shaded parts are 72. So, in this fraction, write as decimals. Here also 2 digits in the place of denominator and numerator is having 2 digits. So, 0.72. 0.72. Okay. Here 2 digits given. That's why we have to write total number here. Here not there. Only numerator 1 digit. That's why we have to keep more than 1 0. 1 0 we have to keep excess. Next, fifth one. Here 2 boxes shaded fully. 10, 10, 20. Here 9 boxes only shaded in this box. So this is mixed fraction. 2 whole number, 9 by 10 is fraction. So this mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. Okay, 2 tens are 20, 20 plus 9, 29. 29 by 10. Now this one convert into decimals. Here 1 0 only there, no place of denominator. So 2.9. Okay, next. Here 100 boxes are there both. In this total boxes are shaded. Here only 25 boxes are shaded. So 125 by 10. 1 is whole shaded. Here in this box 25. Next, convert into improper fraction. This mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. Here denominator 100, 100 into 1 plus numerator 25 by, as it is you have to write denominator. Okay. Next, 100 ones are 100. 100 plus 25, 125. So 125 by 100. This is also fraction. Improper fraction. This is mixed fraction. Now we have to convert in this improper fraction into decimal. Here 2 zeros is there in the place of denominator. So 1.2 digits before we have to keep point. Because denominator having 2 zeros, no. Remember this, children. How many zeros are there is the place of denominator. We have to leave that before we have to keep point. Here 0, one digit before. Here also 1 0 in the denominator. Here also we have to keep one digit before, have to keep point. Here two digits. Here two zeros are there, no? So two digits before we have to keep point. Here also same as like that. Okay, remember this. Everyone write your textbook. Okay, write your textbook. This page complete and send to me. Everyone open your textbook page number 97. Second one, write down these as a fraction and a decimal. Write down these as a fraction and a decimal. First one, 4/10. How to write fraction 4/10? 4/10. 4/10. 4/10. Here 1 0 only there, no? So 0.4. Decimal 0.4. Read as 0.4. Second one, 8/10. 8/10 means 8/10. 8/10 write as decimal 0.8, because here denominator one digit only there, no? So we have to keep before one digit point. Okay, next 1 and 5/10. 1 and 5/10. 1 and 5/10. This is mixed fraction. Then convert into improper fraction. 10 ones are 10. 10 plus 5, 15/10. This is fraction. Next convert into decimal. 1.5. The denominator 1 0 only there, no? So one digit before we have to keep point. Read as 1.5. Fourth one is 26 hundredths. 26 divided by 100. Here hundreds given, no? That's why we have to write here 100. So this is fraction. Then we have to convert into decimal. Here in the denominator 2 zeros, no? Before 2 digits we have to keep point. 0.26. After point don't read total number. Single digit only we have to read. 0.26. Next, fifth one, 44 hundredths. 44 divided by 100. Here also in the denominator 2 digits. So we have to write here 0.44. Remember this, children. After point only single digits we have to read. Okay. Next, write down how these numbers are read. Here given some numbers, decimal numbers. How to read? Write down. Okay. Here 0.5. POINT. 0.5. FIVE. Next, 3.6. THREE 3. POINT point 6. SAX 6. Next, 74.2. Before point we have to read total number, but after point we have to read single digits only. Okay, 74.2. 74.2. Next, fourth one, 0.04. 0.04. Next, 7.15. SCVN 7.15. Next 26.04. 26.04. 26.04. Fourth one, write these as decimals. Write these as decimals. First one, 0.9. So, 0.9, 0.9 or 0.9. Correct. 0.9 or 0.9. Next, 6.7. 6.7. Next, 89.9. 89.9. Next, fourth one is 0.55. 0.55. After point single digit only, no? That's why we have to write here 0.55 and read as 0.55. If you are kept 0 before point, whatever it is your choice. 0.55 are correct or 0.55 also correct. 2.75. 2.75. Next, last one is 21.92. 21.92. 21.92. 21.92.